How to remove suggestions on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and click on update if any update is available. Now after installing the update, go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down. Now tap on content preferences under what you see. Now on this page simply enable the toggle for snooze suggested post. Now go back to the home screen. Now keep holding the Instagram icon and tap on app info. Then go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.